well-planned green spaces, such as golf courses and parks, can maintain and promote plant and animal diversity. Typically, 1.7 times more area on a golf course is used for natural habitat, such as roughs, woodlands, and water features, when compared to the combined area for greens, tees, and fairways. A study of golf courses and parks in Cincinnati, Ohio, has shown conclusively that perching songbirds, which include more than half of all bird species, benefit from golf courses, even to the extent that golf courses may be described as bird sanctuaries. The environmental benefits of turfgrass are substantial. But what about the human health, recreational, and community benefits it offers? In their 2002 newsletter, the University of California, Riverside Turfgrass Research Program carried the headline, "Turf Protects the Environment and Benefits Health." They reported that psychologists who studied people-plant interactions quantify their results by testing blood pressure and heart rate to document the health benefits of nearby nature, which were comprised of turf, mixed landscapes, and natural settings. It was observed that hospital patients who were provided with an outdoor view of nature recovered more quickly than patients whose rooms viewed a hospital wing. 2 surveys of parents of children with attention deficit hyperactivity disorder have shown that performing activities in green settings can reduce the symptoms of ADHD. In an initial Midwestern-based study, parents rated activities that typically occurred in outdoor green settings as being the best for their child's symptoms. Activities that typically occurred indoors or in non-green areas were rated the worst. In the subsequent nationwide study, activities such as reading or playing sports were reported as improving children's symptoms more when performed in an outdoor green setting rather than in non-green settings. Another often overlooked benefit of turfgrass is a decrease in noxious pests, allergy-related pollens, and human disease exposure. Closely mowed residential lawns reduce the number of nuisance pests such as snakes, rodents, mosquitoes, ticks, and chiggers. Turfgrass also minimizes allergy-related pollens that can cause human discomfort and potentially serious health concerns to some individuals. Turfgrass also reduces noise considerably. An often quoted study by the University of Nebraska indicated that as little as a 4-inch high grassed area reduced vehicle noise levels by as much as 40% at a distance of 70 feet. Turfgrass also diminishes the discomfort of visual glare and its effect on the human eye. As for the recreational benefits of turfgrass, Dr. James Beard commented that both the enjoyment and the benefits of improved physical and mental health derived from recreation and leisure activities on turf are vital to contemporary society, especially in densely populated urban areas. He went on to add, spectators derive entertainment from sporting competitions played on turf. Dr. Beard has also stated that community pride and interest can be derived from quality sports fields and parks, and turfgrass contributes to greater social harmony, civic pride, and increased productivity. Turfgrass also serves as a fire barrier, so much so that in January of 2005, a new California state law became effective that extended the defensible space around homes and structures from 30 feet to 100 feet. Proper clearance to 100 feet dramatically increases the chance of a house surviving a wildfire. This defensible space also provides a safety zone for firefighters. Although most of us don't associate turfgrass as a means for crime prevention, the high visibility provided by low-growing turfgrass actually discourages intruders and vandals. In addition to creating a sense of pride, the community also benefits economically. Turfgrass, trees, and shrubs have been shown to add from 6 to 12% to the base value of a home, according to a study conducted by Bridget Behe, professor of horticulture at Michigan State University. Data also shows that good landscaping, unlike most home improvements, appreciates over time. Perhaps Dr. Thomas L. Watchke summarized it best when he stated the strategic use of turfgrass is the most sensible and economically feasible approach to countering the greenhouse effect in urban areas. To maximize all the benefits turfgrass has to offer, you have to do your part by following basic lawn care guidelines. Follow best management practices. Perform annual lawn maintenance. Mow when necessary, removing only the top third of the grass blade. Leave clippings on the lawn after mowing. They're full of nutrients. They don't cause thatch, and they will reduce your fertility needs. When using fertilizers, be sure to follow manufacturer guidelines. Only irrigate when necessary. When needed, aerate to minimize soil compaction. This will maximize water efficiency and help nutrients reach the plant's root zone. Integrate pest management practices only when necessary, and consult a professional whenever you're using chemicals. And once again, always follow the manufacturer's recommendations. At a time when environmental issues such as global warming and greenhouse gases continually grab the headlines, at a time when we're faced with shifting consumer attitudes because of misleading information about pesticides, fertilizers, and turfgrass, we have to collectively realize that any one of these issues will have an impact on our environment and our lives. Unfounded restrictions that affect residential property, our schools, our communities, golf courses, or recreation areas will likely affect all of us unless there is a collective voice to be heard. By getting the message out on all the benefits that turfgrass has to offer, and by properly caring for our own lawns, we all benefit. This presentation was brought to you by the Lawn Institute. For additional information about turfgrass and proper lawn care, visit their website at thelawninstitute.org.